Kylie, did you get a new sleeping bag? Do you want it? Are you so excited for it? What do you say for it?
Are you excited? Show me how excited you are.
Okay. Look, what color is it? It's close. What's another color like that? Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same.
Oh, Kylie. Oh, look at it. Should we open it up? We need to go camping. Do you want to get in it? That way? Oh, you want to get in it in here? Okay, come on, bring it in. Okay. Whoa.
Who's excited? Whose sleeping bag is that? You want to see the video? Okay, say it's my sleeping bag. Thank you, Mommy.